Actually, now only I have made, so it's not proper way. Some
Okay.
points which you all have said now, so that only I have coupled and written here. That first of all, so like ma'am has discussed here, positive approach or show love for the subject. Like Anjani ma'am only discussed here that first of all, whatever subject we are taking, if it is of economics, and if it is of history, civics, or any of the subjects, first of all, we should show the positive approach that we will tell children ki, yes, I love this subject and there are lots of benefits of this subject, why we are learning. So first thing is that we will show the love towards it. If we will not show, we will start with that it is a sleeping subject, you feel bored in that, and those who are feeling bored, you can just sleep this time. So this thing we will not do. First thing that positively we will explain the subject, any subject if it is there, history, civics, geography, and all. And then after that, Meenal ma'am also said that we will connect it with the past and the present. Means first we will tell any subject. If we are telling them any of the dynasty, so we will connect it with the dynasty. Yes, that time you, and now if you will be in that situation, so how you will deal. Like that PM Modi token currency was there. Same thing was happened in the that Delhi Sultan time. Tughlaq did. So how it is differed means the same changes was done by him and same changes. So means in this way we can connect it. Second, like visuals and images, ma'am has already told here, like whatever thing we are showing to them, that should be visual, means image, it should be in their mind. If it is of any book, it is, if it is we are discussing of any person, so first thing that image should be there. If we are talking about the Tughlaq, so there should be image. Yes, Tughlaq was look like this. Image and scene ki if war is there, the battle of Panipat, anything. If we are talking of geography chapters, assembly, so there should be image ki yes, this is legislative, this is environment, like you have shown in the that pictures and images which we are using. And then props and objects, that so we are using anything, globe if it is there, if we are teaching to them. So these things we can calculate. I have written the points which you have means discussed right now here. And then there will be an incorporate movement, because I have seen many of the time Sushila ma'am is using this thing in class also, that any of the topics she has given to the student, and then they were telling ki play, drama, any they will do. So in this way also means we know that four corner games, you will do this thing. Means if we are teaching them a Gujarati dance bhangra, it is of, so you will just show us if we are doing, how we are doing this. So students are also involved in that way. Second, I have written here the project-based study. What, so you know that whatever they are learning, we should tell them that they will make a project, so they understand each and every aspect of that, negative, positive, location, and means everything about that. Means they will have a proper and detailed study of this. And then field trip, it is not even possible in school, but in online classes, you all people are doing, and we all are doing that virtual trips we are taking. Like ma'am has taken this today. I have seen the Dholavira example. This is really good for the students. And Sushila ma'am also did today's class. I have seen that Rajasthan trip. So student understand, because this is visually videos and music easily they can get. And then use of maps. Obviously, map are very important if we are teaching any of the place. Like if we are telling them ki yes Rajasthan, so we should tell them ki yes in India Rajasthan is this location. So they understand ki okay, so we are talking about the western side, and western side here will be. So it should be clear in their mind. And last and obviously not the least, regular quiz, because you know SST is really a very vast chapter. If we will not remind them and we will not ask questions to them, then it's not easy for us and for the student also, that they will means you know that everything we need, so quiz should be there in class. And this is really very good for the student also. Virtual also we will make a quiz. I'll just show you on screen that today only I have taken in my class the quiz, and the students were really happy for that. Yes ma'am, this is really very interesting, and they all wants to give answer. And it was really very easy also, because I have not unmute and mute them. I have told them you will write the answer in the chat box, and whosoever has written the first 10 answer, I will give them the trophy. So very quickly they were writing the answer. So this is only what you all have to do. And anything else, so you will tell, I'll just add in it.
Ma'am, character portraits can be there for the junior classes. I think up to sixth class, so we can do it. Character portrait, role playing for history, something like that. It can be done so that the students they remember the characters properly and easily. It will be very simple for them to understand about that particular person if we are doing that character portrait for them. So we can keep
Yes.
this activity, we can even keep this activity especially for history because most of the students they find history very boring.
No, ma'am. First of all, so we will not tell them. My first point is that the positive approach towards no subject is boring.
Of
Yes,
course ma'am,
no
agree,
subject.
but still few students when they find it boring, we can do a little bit of
Actually, ma'am, this
activities
is a
like character
nahi.
portrayal.
Yes, just a minute. Actually, ma'am, whenever they will say, ma'am, it's a very boring chapter or very boring subject, just tell them that you are the student of the 70s. You are not the student of the 21st century, because 21st century history is not boring. Everyone is very curious about the history. Everyone wants to know about Sushant Singh Rajput. We will connect it. Ki, yes, it is true or not. Yeah, you don't want to. Why you are going and watching the movies of that when this movies are getting the lots of means amount and the crore rupees. Padmavat movie. Why you people wants to go and watch if you are not interested in history? So we will not say that history is a boring subject
I am
because
not saying
everyone
that
is
we
very
have
curious.
to say, I am saying that we can add on character portrait too. We can add it on so that we make it more
Yes,
interesting.
according, yes, ma'am, this is the common thing which I have written. This is not we will apply on first standard also. This is common for 1 to 12. And now according to the classes, we can couple it. According to means now you will just make changes. And as you know that earlier we are using the mobile phone in a different way. But now according to the needs, we human are only who can modify it according to the class also. So in this way, we can make changes according to first how we will teach in second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and how the classes in 11, 12, that your teacher better understand in which way we will teach. How this, but if we will use in such a character, students can easily learn if they will do in such a way. Am I right now, Meenal ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, you are absolutely right. You have given all the points very well presented, and almost all the points you have included, including the role model. Also, ma'am has interrupted for that only. Yeah. So, any other idea if anyone want to share? Because here, ma'am has written all the things about the history, about the geography, about the civics. It can be applied accordingly whenever and wherever it is required. We can say that everything is not applicable everywhere. Some of the things are applicable in one topic, other thing can be applicable in another topic. So according to the requirement, wherever and whatever is necessary, we should apply. And for that, planning is required. Last moment, we can't do that. So
Yes, exactly.
we must
Hello,
think about that. Yes,
See,
ma'am.
excuse me,
actually, we
ma'am.
plan a lot of things, but how much we are
Excuse me,
putting
ma'am.
Yes,
applicable?
ma'am.
Yeah,
Monica, ma'am.
Monica.
I just Suruchi ma'am shared the things. I just want to share the same thing by PPT. Can I?
Yes, ma'am. Why not?
Yeah, you can
We
share.
are here to
Wait.
give our inputs. Yes, ma'am.
Will happen in the
Yes,
orientation today. Students are
yes.
very what will happen in the activity.
So
Means
we should
what
put
my
a
friend will
curiosity in them.
present.
Like
Yeah, they always
yesterday, ma'am has said about the democracy, Kushagram has said. So we should make a curiosity in them that why India has taken the democracy, though it was like the princely states was there in our country, but why we have adopted the democracy. So there will be a curiosity in them, then they will find out all the things. So that is like putting curiosity in the subject. That is very important.
and we will not. They
No,
are
they are
already
having.
having.
They are
Students are
having.
very
Then we
prepared.
should
See,
also
ma'am,
like
one
have
student,
something like
one
that.
example I'm giving you. One student is asking, ma'am, if rain it is there, na, so why it is slanting? Why it is straight? Today's the question is
Like
means he
yesterday,
some
Yeah, there
students
was a
laughing
question
on him
yesterday
and
from in my class that why the partition was there. Why do we needed the partition? So there are the questions which comes from the students. So the queries is very important in the subject.
Yes. They are
Yes,
the
ma'am, you can
question
share.
box. Students are the question box.
Yeah.
We can say once we are
we
creating
want
curiosity, then beyond imagination, they are bringing the questions. Beyond
Yes.
imagination, we can't imagine, we can't think. They are thinking beyond that, and they are asking various type of questions. So we
Ma'am,
will
they're
also try to find.
researching also. They are researching on a chapter or something like the topic which is there, and they bring many things with that, along with that.
And when we
So many information they bring.
and when we will allow them to interact, even the students are themselves try to answer whatever the questions are asked from students side. If we are encouraging students, so the students are also ready to reply, and most probably the correct answers, because nobody can dare to reply, but whoever has any information, any knowledge about that particular question, only that student will able to reply. So maybe something very new thing could be in the reply. So we should give chance to all the students. Very first, we should find out the answer from the students. So students have the same level. They have the pioneer group. They have the same level. So they can make them understand in a better way. Our level and their level, that is different. So if a question, whatever the question is asked by a student, if sometimes I'm not able to get, the other student used to explain, ma'am, he or she is trying to asking that thing, and the student saying, yes ma'am, it is that. And the student, sometimes it happens that I'm replying and that student is not able to get, then another student try to explain at her or his level. So that can be done. It will be a revision for the rest of the class, and beside that, as that is explained at their level, so that can be even clear or understood by those students which are resource students. So that can also be done. Besides that, clipping of the newspapers I have suggested, because day-to-day life, though we know that we are just presuming that yes, we have told them that they will read the newspaper, but some of 50% we can expect that yes, they are reading the newspaper, they are following our instructions. The remaining 50% students, for them we have to put some effort, or we can ask the students today in the morning who have read the newspaper, if any of the thing related to our topic, click up it and can display on the screen. So that can be done. So everybody will aware about that whatever is going on around us, and it is how it is related with a chapter or topic, and that's why it is here. So other students will also try to explain, and teacher will also definitely try to explain, and next time maybe that student will bring another news. Next student might be going to show many other things. He or she would be the next student. So like that we can do. So this is right now online teaching is going on. So we can use various smart ways to enhance their learning or different type of skills we can. So with learning, they will develop many skills. As I told you yesterday, when we are giving them to make PPT, so side by side, they are learning the computer knowledge also. They are using many apps. They will concern many websites or many other things. So they will come to know many other things. So we should also take care that if we are introducing only one thing, so many other things are also learned with that. So that means we are developing or inculcating the overall development in the student. So we should try for that. So once we will introduce in the class about newspaper, about map, then the students will be habitual, and then they will continue. If it will be introduced in junior classes, then it will be continued in senior classes also. When I joined the school, at that time, the students were not knowing even the states. When I used to ask them, are you knowing about that state where it is located? So, yes, ma'am. Some are in a confused way. They are not sure. Yes, we are knowing or not. They are not confirm about themselves. They are knowing about or not. They are confused ma'am, whether it is this or this. When I am showing the map, I was to show used to show their map, so they are a little bit confused. So now, when the practice will be since beginning, then there will be no confusion. Actually, I got it that in 6th and 7th standard, uh, we are not having any recent, we can say recent developments, recent events are not there. And map activities are also of world. In India, that is of past. Recent is not there. So I have suggested already that in the beginning, on the very first day, in the new session, we will ask the students to learn about our political division, means physical India. We are teaching them, but political division, that means uh, the division states, union territories, capitals. So there will be no confusion, and whatever the present states, union territories are there, we can relate, because earlier the names were different. Right now the names are different. So we can relate it with that Patna, that is Patliputra at that time. So like that, so when they will know about the current scenario, only then they will relate it. Otherwise, they will think like that it is again an imaginary place or like that. It may be somewhere outside. So it may be possible. So we can connect it when the students will know about the current scenario. Only then they will able to connect it with past, with present. Yeah, so it's our duty to make them familiar with the whatever the basic things are there. Basic things means map. It is very, very essential for all the parts, whether it is history, it is geography, civics, economics also. Yeah. So if they are knowing about the basic things, about the continents, about the political division of the country, about the union territories, whatever are the recent development taking place, about the frontiers, all should be discussed. And once when you will start, they will start their inputs. They will suggest their views. They will give their whatever they are learning. They will start that. So this is the idea. And beside that, uh, newspaper clippings, maps, positive attitude, as ma'ams, which ma'am has insisted, focused on that there should be a positive attitude. Here, without positive attitude, it is not possible to make them to accept anything, to learn, to make them to learn. They should be ready to accept whatever we are speaking. If they are not ready now, they will sit like passive listeners, and we will be the preacher. We will keep on our preaching, and they will listen and then get up and no learning. So very first, we must make them to be attentive towards us, towards the teacher, that they should be ready to listen us. Only then it is possible. Whatever we are speaking, suppose we are giving a very good lecture. We have prepared a good lecture. Everything we have prepared, we have planned. But if a student is not listening, there is no utility. So first of all, in the class,
Ma'am,
we should make them ready to listen. Yes, ma'am.
always we should appreciate them, always.
Ma'am, can I continue with that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Not.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You are welcome.
Vishal ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
not
You
a
make us.
student.
Yes, ma'am. You make us ready to
Sarcastic, yeah,
listen.
you are so sarcastic.
Monica ma'am is now going to present.
Same things, ma'am, that you all are saying, the way of PPT, that's all. The
Okay,
first
ma'am.
step is that you should have thorough knowledge of your subject and chapter, whether we are in virtual class or in the actual real class. The second tip is lesson planning. Always go prepared to the class. Your book should have word meanings, flow charts, question, underline, extra information. Interaction with the students. Engage your students, ask them questions, talk to them, share your experience, share some stories related to the given topic. Current knowledge, use current affairs while teaching, as Meenal ma'am and Suruchi ma'am saying. Save important newspaper articles, attach them in your book, keep some extra facts in your pocket and share with your class. All the things, whatever you are shared, the same thing, only the way of PPT. Use of teaching aids. Of course, as a teacher, we have chalkboard, modules, globe, maps, models. Create your own library of information, collect picture, as we called it, flashcards, videos related to the chapter, get them saved in a smart class, show them to the children. Appreciation our children, even we also need appreciation. Clapping, very good, excellent, mind-blowing, awesome. These words we have to appreciate the children. Say no to no. Never say I will not explain this. Never say it is out of your syllabus. We have, because nowadays children are very curious about the things, as Suruchi ma'am said, that they are practical, like they have to watch that Padmavat or Sushant Singh Rajput. They know the history of these things. So we never say no, because the SST, as a SST subject, is a vast. Be a jolly good fellow. Don't scold all the time. Be patient and love your class. Last, activities and project. Organize competition related to your topic. Quiz, group discussion. These all things, as I think that all the teachers have discussed, and we did the same thing.
This
That's all.
ninth tip was very nice, like appreciation, what Sushila ma'am was speaking about. Clapping, very good, excellent.
Kushal ma'am.
Yes,
Kushal ma'am,
ma'am.
you were.
Yes, ma'am. Are you there? Yes, ma'am. We want your voice
Ma'am?
also.
Oh, ma'am, I'm listening. Everybody's.
No,
Please
ma'am, your
go.
words.
No, ma'am. I'm listening.
Ma'am,
I'm
right
learning
now,
from all of you.
ma'am, right now on the screen, don't say no.
I'm listening and learning from all you. That's it. One should definitely
Ma'am, give
listen
a
and
chance
learn.
Ma'am, the
us
So this.
also.
appreciation, ma'am, the appreciation you can see on the screen for Monica ma'am. Okay, ma'am, you need it. I think this.
What is
Thank you,
that?
ma'am. Thank you.
So we have
Trophy.
already appreciated.
Yes, the
Wait a
trophy for
minute. No, it's not a trophy. It's a chocolate. I think it is resume. I'm not able to share. I think somebody is already sharing.
I'm not sharing. Yours is only appearing on the screen.
Is it visible now?
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
but
Thank
even
There is
even we are also using this in our classes, trophies, cakes,
Yes,
and everything.
because yes, students